Dolly and Friends!
Anna, Nana. Anna, Anna. Huh?
Hmm? 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 Eh? Huh? Eh? Hmm?
mommy?
Yes, police.
Climbing high,
No police.
is it safe?
No police.
Keep away.
Promises.
Dolly, Dolly,
Yes, Papa.
eating sugar,
No, Papa.
telling lie,
No, Papa.
open wide. Dolly, Dolly,
Yes, Papa.
eating cookie,
No, Papa.
telling lie,
No, Papa.
open wide. Dolly, Dolly,
Yes, Papa.
eating cake,
No, Papa.
telling lie,
No, Papa.
open wide. Dolly, Dolly,
Yes, Papa.
eating candies,
No, Papa.
telling lie,
No, Papa.
open wide.
Why is he winner? I'm better runner. Mine, mine. I'll take the medal.
You need the training, it makes you stronger. Yes, yes, you need the training.
I'll be the winner. Now I'm stronger. Yes, yes.
making the pancake art challenge. What are you doing now, Dolly?
Now I'm filling up the forms. Then I'll put them into the oven.
Cool! Stay tuned to our show to see what we'll do next. And stay tuned for new episodes of Tommy Detective Stories! Tommy, what are you doing? We're making a cooking video here. Who needs cooking videos? Let's better film a detective story. No, go away.
Yeah, go away, Tommy. Pancakes! It smells so good!
What's happening? I heard something moving right behind me.
Someone stole all our pancakes!
Oh, no! We've put so much effort into it. What are we gonna say to our friends?
Who could do such a thing?
I don't have any idea. Looks like it's a job for Tommy the detective. Tommy! No need for these games. We know you stole our cookies. Me? It wasn't me. It was a spooky cookie beast. There is no cookie beast. You just made it up. No, it's a spooky cookie beast. It has 3 tails, 4 hands, and 6 big fangs. Stop lying to us. Just tell us where you hid the cookies. I didn't hide anything. But I'll find them or I'm not Tommy the detective.
What are we doing here, Tommy?
Looking for clues. Keep searching. I'll check the backyard. No, doggy, go away. What happened? Take off this muck from me. It's not a muck, it's an eyewitness. What did you say? Oh, really? Thank you very much.
So where are we going now?
To the beach!
It'll never end, will it?
I think I have an idea. How to end this quickly. Hey, Tommy! Tommy, we found something! Look, there are footprints on the sand. And they're going into the cave. Well, I don't think that Cookie Beast is hiding in such a scary place.
Where else would a spooky beast be hiding?
Come on, go into the cave.
Or you can admit that there is no cookie beast and you completely made it up.
Okay, I'm done with this drama. Give our cookies back.
I can't! The cookies are under lock and key!
So, Monkey stole the key! It's unbearable.
I think we need Johnny the officer.
So, what's the problem?
Look!
Maybe it's better to call for backup.
No time for backup. We need our stuff now.
Okay, sirs. Mr. Monkey, sir.
useless, like always. And what should we do now? I think I have an idea. Are you sure that it will work? It will work. I'm not Tommy the monkey fighter. You mean Tommy the cookie stealer? Never mind. Better help me move the box.
Thank you, kids.
Now to the cookies. Doggy! Look, no hands. I'm the rocket.
Yeah, we are the Rockets!
Don't ride on your boards here. It's a bike track.
No, it's for skates too!
Yeah, but we came here first.
No, we came here first.
Go find another place.
No, you go find another place.
Fight! Fight!
What if we made a competition?
Huh?
I mean, race around the park. The winner will stay, loser will go.
Okay, if Tommy is not a chicken.
I've never been a chicken. Let's start right now.
Dolly, Tommy, come on, it's time to go home.
Just a minute, Mom.
No more minutes. Come here now.
We'll continue tomorrow.
Sure. Tomorrow, I'll become the winner. I'm gonna eat all the vegetables to be in perfect shape.
Hey!
Mom, can I have more vegetables?
I want them too.
Augusto, hello? Can you hear me? Roger.
Hi, Tommy. I hear you, Roger.
See you in the park in 30 minutes. Roger.
Got it. Roger. What took you so long?
Too much vegetables. Come on, let's go.
Ready? Go!
Right. You need to warm up before the race. Hey, what are they doing here?
Not good enough. Try again.
Warming up.
Tommy, even toy cars go faster.
This might be a very fast toy car.
Yeah, I tweaked the engine a bit.
Tweaked? So, what if we tweak my skate too?
But it's not fair.
Fair? Fair, you said? Is it fair to kick us out of the park? Come on, let's go. Enough of this games.
Tricksters! Okay, we'll tweak something too. Come on, let's go!
Wow, cool stuff!
Don't touch anything. Let's start.
Oh, I know. Let's take a shortcut. Now, everyone will see. Oh! Let's build wings and a rocket engine for your bike. Do you know how to build rocket engines? No.
Ready?
Ready!
We tweak the speed mode a bit.
No time for this. I need to go home and have a good sleep before the race. See you in the park.
Any other ideas? No. Oh, wait! Yes! My parents have a super fast sport bike in the garage. Let's go! Ta-da! Panda, it's a tandem. Guys will say that it's not fair. Fair? That tricksters do not deserve a fair battle. Hey, it's a tandem. It's not fair. Fair? Let me check out your skate, maybe. Huh? Ready, go! Tommy, jump off the board! Tommy, stop! I can't!
Two questions. Are you all right? And are you crazy?
It was just a little competition.
Hey, keep working.
Oh.